What's the meaning of cairn? Cairn. Cairn.
Cairn. Cairn. A cairn is a man-made pile of rocks, often used as a trail marker or monument. It can also be used to mark a burial site or commemorate an event. Cairns have been used for thousands of years by various cultures around the world, and they are often seen in mountainous regions where they help hikers navigate difficult terrain. Cairns can range in size from small piles of stones to large structures that require multiple people to construct. The use of cairns is an important part of outdoor culture and serves as both a practical and symbolic purpose.